morning students, welcome to the class of physics. So in the last class what we had seen? In the last class we had seen about plane mirror, and today we are going to see about spherical mirrors. As I have told you, there are two types of mirrors on the basis of the structure of the reflecting surface. So mirror, there are two types. One is your plane mirror, another one is your mirror. There are two types, plane mirror, then spherical mirror. Last class we had seen about plane mirror. So what is plane mirror? Can you tell me what is plane mirror? Plane mirror is a mirror which has a flat or plane refracting surface. See, in case of mirror we have two surfaces. One is your reflecting surface, reflection is happening, a reflecting surface. Another one is your polished surface. We can indicate this polished surface by these arrows. So in case of any mirror there are two surfaces. The surface that we are facing, we are seeing our face, that is called your reflecting surface, and the other one is your polished surface. So this is in case of plane mirror. Why we are calling it as plane mirror? Last class I have told you why this is plane mirror, because its reflecting surface is flat or plane, right? Then next, spherical mirror. What is spherical mirror? What will be there in case of spherical mirror? In spherical mirror, the reflecting surface will be curved spherically. This is not flat, right? In case of plane mirror, this is flat or planar, but in case of spherical mirror, the reflecting surface is curved. It can be curved in two ways. It can be curved like this. It can be curved like this. Right, so this is the basic difference in between a plane mirror and a spherical mirror. In plane mirror, the reflecting surface is flat, but in case of spherical mirror, the reflecting surface is curved, and it can be curved inward, it can be curved outward. That we shall discuss now. There are two possibilities. First possibility is it can be curved like this. This is the second possibility. It can be curved like this, or it can be curved like this. So as I had told you before, there are two surfaces. This is your reflecting surface, this is your polished surface. Then in case of second one, this is your reflecting surface, this is your polished surface. So to indicate this polished surface, we do some arrow marks like this, the lines. So in spherical mirror, the curved surface, it is of two types. First one like this and like this. Now we can say it can be curved outward or it can be curved inward. Outward and inward concept, we have to know this. This is the first case, this is the second case. So how can we tell that this one is curved inward or this one is curved outward? See, in case of the spherical mirror, these are a part of sphere. That's why this is called spherical mirror. These are a part of sphere. It will do like this. It will be a sphere like this. So this is a part of a sphere, right? So first case, in this case, we have to draw a circle, a sphere like this. Then second one also, we have to make a circle like this. Now you can tell me which part is coming under the sphere. This part, it is coming under the sphere, this is outside the sphere, right? So this is your outer part, this is your inner part. So if the reflecting surface is curved like this, then This one is outer part, this one is inner part. Why this is called inner part? Because this part is coming under this sphere, but not this part, right? So this is outer part, this is inner part. Come to the second case. In this case, if it is curved like this, which part will be coming under the sphere? This part. This is your inner part, this is your outer part. We can say inner part, outer part, or we can say inner surface and outer surface. So see in which two cases, right? First one is your, this part is your outer part, this is your inner part. Then second, this is your inner part, this is your outer part. So on the basis of this, we can differentiate spherical mirror into two types. We have seen it also earlier. First one is convex and concave. So there are two types of spherical mirror. This type of spherical mirror, it is called convex mirror. And the second type is called your concave mirror. Now you can tell me what is happening in case of convex mirror and what is happening in case of concave mirror. In case of convex mirror, what is happening? In case of convex mirror, the outer part is reflecting, the inner part is polished. This is reflecting surface, this is polished surface. But in case of concave mirror, what is happening? In case of concave mirror, inner part is reflecting, outer part is polished. Right? See, the basic difference is that here in case of convex mirror, outer part is reflecting. In case of concave mirror, inner part is reflecting. But in case of convex mirror, inner part is polished, here outer part is polished. So there may be some confusion regarding this inner part, outer part, reflecting surface, polished surface. I will tell you a good example how to remember this. There is a basic. I will give you some examples, but this will help you. Definitely this will help you to know. You may have confusion regarding inner surface, outer surface, polished surface, and there are so things. So first of all, what we have to do, convex. Convex, it has 6 letters, CONVEX. Concave, it has 7 letters, CONCAVE. So convex is small, concave is large on the basis of the carrying capacity of the letters. Right? It is carrying 6 letters, it is carrying 7 letters. So this one is small, this one is large. Now we can relate it that we have to remember it that convex is less danger because it is carrying 6 letters. Concave is highly dangerous because it is carrying 7 letters. So out of this convex and concave, we have to remember like that this is less danger because it is carrying 6 letters, and this is most dangerous because it is carrying 7 letters. Right? So convex less dangerous, concave most dangerous. How to know? Because convex 6 letters, concave 7 letters. So this is small, this is big. Now we have to use our hand like this. Right? What is this? This is king cobra. In Oriya we can say it as Nagasapur. So to relate this king cobra is this one. Right? It has also two surfaces. This one is inner surface, inner palm. This is inner one, inner surface. This one is your outer surface. This is the inner surface of the cobra. This is the outer surface of the cobra. Are you getting my point? So if cobra is like this, inner one, this is outer one. Now how to relate this one? I had told you earlier, convex less danger, concave most danger. We have to relate like this. If we are facing the cobra from the front side, we are facing it from the front side, it means this is most dangerous. But if you are watching the cobra from the back side, this is less dangerous. Watching something from the back, it is less dangerous, but watching something from the front side, it is more dangerous. So while watching the cobra from the front side, this is your concave. So what is happening in case of concave? In case of concave, see, the inner one is reflected. And before this, I may tell you, in which side we are watching, this side that we are facing is always reflecting, and the back side is polished one. Just like this. See, this one. The side that we are watching, this is always a reflecting one, and the back side is always polished one. So if you are watching like this is your reflecting surface, this is your polished surface. If we are watching it from the back side, this is the reflecting surface, this is polished surface, right? So relative to convex and concave, we are watching this from the back side, this is less dangerous, it leads to convex side. So what is happening in case of convex? See, this is the outer one is reflecting, inner one is polished. Are you getting my point? If we do like this, we are watching the cobra from the back side, outer one is reflecting, inner one is your polished. And this is in case of convex mirror. Convex mirror less dangerous, watching a cobra from the back is also less dangerous. Then concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, this is most dangerous, so watching a cobra from the front. If you are watching the cobra, inner one is reflecting, outer one is polished. Are you getting my point? How to remember which one outer one is reflecting, or inner one is reflecting, outer one is polished, or inner one is polished? So to remember this thing, we have to make an example like this. If we are watching the cobra from the back side, this is less dangerous, it leads to convex mirror. In case of this, the outer one is reflecting, inner one is polished. In case of concave mirror, we are watching the cobra from the front side. It means this is most dangerous. It has 7 letters, it is most dangerous. So this one is concave, this one is convex. Concave, inner one is reflecting, outer one is polished. Convex, outer one is reflecting, inner one is polished. So did you get the point? Convex mirror and concave mirror. So what are those points? Now tell me, in case of convex mirror. Convex mirror, we are watching the cobra from the back side. Here what is happening? Outer surface is reflecting. Here if outer surface is reflecting, definitely inner surface is polished. Then in case of concave mirror we are watching the cobra from the front side. Here what is happening? The inner surface is reflecting. Here and the outer surface is polished. Then there is a difference. Convex mirror, this is your diverging mirror. Concave mirror, this is your converging mirror. This is your diverging mirror. This is your converging mirror. Why this is called diverging mirror? Here diverging of light rays is happening. Here convergence of light rays it is happening. Here divergence is happening. What is divergence? In Odia we can say bichino hejiba, but converge mane misi jiba. How it is happening? We can see. We'll discuss this later. Suppose this is your principal axis. Light rays are coming from an object AB. This is your object AB. Light rays are coming parallel to principal axis. So what will happen in case of convex mirror? After reflection from the mirror, they will diverge like this. This ray it will go like this. This ray will go like this. This ray it will send back, that we shall discuss. Then this one like this and like this, right? So they will diverge, bichino hojiba. So what will happen? They will not meet directly. Then how they will meet? It will extend there in backward direction. Then they will meet at a point that is called your focus. We shall discuss that one. So why this is called diverging mirror? The rays of light coming from the object, when they will hit on the reflecting surface of the mirror, what will happen? They will diverge. Alga alga hojiba. Exactly opposite thing is happening in case of concave mirror. This is called your converging mirror because light is converging here. How we can see? Suppose this is an object, rays of light are coming. Rays of light are coming, they are hitting the surface, reflecting surface of the mirror. After reflection, what will happen? They will meet at a point. This point will be your focus F. Right. So we shall discuss these things later while proceeding the next of the topics. Basically, we have to know what is convex and what is concave. Convex mirror is diverging. It means when ray of light are coming parallel to principal axis, they are hitting the mirror. After reflection from the mirror, they are diverging. But in case of concave mirror, it is converging. It is converging. What was happening in case of convex mirror? They were diverging. They were diverging. But in case of this, they are converging. So what we have discussed up to now today, we have seen spherical mirror. There are two types. First one is convex, second one is concave. How to remember those things? By applying this formula. If you are watching a snake from the front side, this is most dangerous. This leads to concave mirror. Inner one is reflecting, outer one is polished. If you are watching the cobra from the back side, this is less dangerous. It leads to convex mirror. It means convex mirror, outer surface is reflecting, inner surface is polished. And convex mirror, this is called diverging mirror. Concave mirror, this is called your what? This is diverging, this is your converging mirror. Okay, next class we shall discuss next.